Welcome to our channel. If you want to pair your Bose with another device, follow these step-by-step instructions for a successful connection. Step 1. Make sure your Bose is fully charged or connected to power. Turn on the device if it's not already powered on. Step 2. Put your Bose into pairing mode. This usually involves holding down a specific button until you see a flashing light. Step 3. On your phone or tablet, open the Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 4. Look for your Bose in the list of available devices. The device name should appear within a few seconds. Step 5. Tap on your Bose name to initiate the pairing process. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear. Step 6. Wait for the connection to complete. You may hear a confirmation sound or see a solid light on your device. Step 7. Test the connection by playing audio or using the device functions to ensure everything is working properly. Step 8. If you encounter any issues, try turning off Bluetooth and repeating the pairing process. Consult the user manual for troubleshooting tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.